go back to the latest from Karnataka, where the chorus is growing for justice for Neha. This, remember, is coming from Hubballi, where massive protests are underway demanding that the Neha investigation murder case must be fast-tracked. Neha Mihiremat, who was stabbed 14 times by her former classmate Fayaz, who is now in custody, this for allegedly rejecting his advances. We have been seeing how protests have been staged across the state, not just the BJP upping the ante against the Congress government in Karnataka, where they ask what the government is doing, not just to fast-track the investigation, but ensure that Neha's family gets justice. Also, the very fact that students across the state have been staging protests as they say that they feel unsafe. There has been a growing demand for a CBI inquiry in this case, this even as the case has now been handed over to the CID. Let's cut across to the latest pictures coming in of these protests that are underway in Hubballi.
You know, Suesha, first and foremost, it's a massive protest out here by the student community in Hubballi, and the students of BVB College as well as the National Students Union of India are going ahead conducting a massive protest. There's an absolute traffic logjam as hundreds of students are spilling onto the streets out here in front of the college where Neha was murdered on that fateful day on the 18th of April as well. And it has been a week since Neha had been brutally stabbed to death by the accused, Fayaz as well. So we are getting in these visuals too, and you can look at it that an ambulance was stuck here. The students have made way only for the ambulances, but look at it. Complete traffic jam, complete chaos out here. They have get out all the buses. They are getting inside the buses, asking the passengers and the drivers, saying that they should stand in solidarity with Neha, with Neha's family, as well as the student community as well. So you can go ahead and witness this out here on our screens. They have completely blocked off the buses. They have get out it completely. The cops are trying to go ahead and make sure that there is no, there is no disturbances within the law and order. But the student community at large are going ahead and demanding that there should be justice as well. We have one of the protesters as well. What do you want to state regarding this? You have blocked the road. The National Students Union of India, along with the students, have also joined this protest. आप क्या बोलना चाहते हैं?
Actually, we are protesting against what have done here. So we are the students demanding that no other student should be affected like this, because we are in a healthy relation, like Hindu, Muslim, everybody is equal here. But some party and some ABVP goons are making it as a religious, religious protest. So we demand, whoever it may be, whether it may be Muslim, whether it may be Hindu, whoever it may be, justice to be delivered, and who have done this, they should be punished.
Do you think that the college authorities should also be held culpable at the same point of time, because it is a breach in the security of the college as well?
Maybe it is there, but the issue is based on some personal thing. So we can't blame the management.
You're saying you cannot blame the management?
Yes.
Personal or not, Neha shouldn't have been killed, isn't it?
Actually, what happened is very wrong. But management and the all security loop is there, but there should be some new rules and regulation for the student.
So there should have been checking which should have been conducted as well.
Yes. Yes.
Okay. For how many hours are you going ahead and protesting? You have blocked the complete city's highway only.
Maybe 1 more hour we are going to do this.
You're going to protest
yes.
as well. What's your demand with the government of Karnataka? What are you requesting the government?
We are requesting just deliver the justice to the Neha's family, and we need a proper rules for this kind of event.
Okay. Are you also demanding for a CBI probe as well, because the agency will go ahead and conduct this investigation, investigation in a unanimous manner?
We demand CBI should take this case as a serious case, and we believe our Karnataka government will deliver justice to Neha's family.
Okay, that is what the student community is stating. You can go ahead, look at these visuals as well. It's a massive protest out here on the streets of Hubballi, where girl students have come out in large numbers, many of them former classmates, seniors of Neha, batchmates, juniors of Neha coming out in huge numbers out here. Look at this, look at the sea of flags here. Look at the number of students out here who have blocked the bus completely. They have stopped it. It's a complete log jam out here. Even as we are standing, there are chorus of "We Want Justice" which you are able to go ahead and listen. So this is all the girl students who have come out in huge numbers, going ahead chanting slogans, "We want justice" for Neha as well. So going ahead and looking at the sort of developments that has taken place in the last 24 hours, you can go on and see as to how the students are protesting out here, demanding that irrespective of political parties, the student community mainly wants justice out here. So it's a massive protest out here. Students not only from one particular college but from many colleges across the entire city of Hubballi have come out in large numbers and are protesting as well. So the police are trying to control. The police are trying to go ahead and salvage the entire situation. You can go ahead and see it. Senior police officials have come in here. They're trying to salvage this entire situation. Bhagat, just focus on these visuals. Focus on these visuals. You can look at it. There is a sit-in protest now. The students are sitting here. It's a sit-in protest out here, and they're demanding justice as well. So more and more students coming out. The entire Hubballi city. It's a massive jam over here. Bhagat, just focus on the traffic as well, Bhagat. Just show the traffic for about 1 to 1.5 kilometer. At least 700 to 800 meters is what we get to understand. Entire stretch has been blocked off. It has been completely cut off from the main city as well. So the students coming out in huge numbers, massive numbers. There is a silent protest, there is a sit-in protest. Some of them are verbal as well. And now they have stated that no matter what, we will not be stepping in away. Will we go ahead and see the senior officials of Hubballi coming in here and trying to speak to the student community? Memorandums after memorandums have already been submitted now, but there seems to be no sort of action. We will try to go ahead, bring in a few voices on the ground as well, because this is now not anymore a political. This is a movement for justice for Neha. That is what this particular entire movement is. All said and done now, we will need to go ahead and look in as to what will be the sort of protest as well. Suesha. We will try to go ahead and speak to a few of the students as well. We'll try to speak to a few of the students. What's your demand? Again, I'm coming to you. We have seen that you're protesting continuously. The student community has come out. What's your demand again? Has the government not heard to your demands?
Yes, I think government should work on it, because we are so much containing that we should get justice for everyone, because Fayaz did so much that even any one girl should not get this again. After this, we can't do. We want justice. Till we'll get justice, we will do.